It's now time for Section 1. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point, and earlier we had the coin toss in Richmond Park Prep 1 and decided to send Mineral Heights Primary first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Mineral Heights. Bible knowledge. What was the name of the sister of Moses?
Miriam.
Correct. Bible knowledge. Richmond Park. Who was the father of John the Baptist?
Haman.
Incorrect. Zachariah or Zacharias. Local affairs, a visual question, Mineral Heights. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Daryl Voss.
Minister of Science, Energy and Telecommunications and Transport. That's correct. Local affairs, a visual question, Richmond Park. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Charles Jr.
Incorrect. The Honorable Auburn Hill, Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce. Science, Mineral Heights. What is the round opening in the center of the iris of the human eye called?
Pupil.
Correct. Science, Richmond Park. What is the name of the part of the human eye that gives the eye its color?
Iris.
Correct. Television, a visual question, Mineral Heights. Look at the monitor and identify the cartoon character.
Daffy Duck.
Correct. Television, a visual question, Richmond Park. Look at the monitor and identify the cartoon character.
Dopey.
Incorrect. Snoopy. English language, Mineral Heights. Spell symphony.
Just start with spelling.
Your time has passed. Would you like to try Richmond Park?
Yes, thank you. Mine. Symphony.
Incorrect. Symphony. Symphony. English language, Richmond Park. Spell phonics.
Mine. Phonic.
Judges? Correct. Sports, a visual question, Mineral Heights. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Courtney Walsh.
Incorrect. Sir Garfield Sobers. Sports, a visual question, Richmond Park. Look at the monitor and identify this former Jamaican athlete.
James Charles.
Incorrect. Herb McKinley. General knowledge, Mineral Heights. The kimono is a national dress in which country?
India.
Incorrect. Japan. General knowledge, Richmond Park. What is the cross between a male lion and a female tiger called?
Liger.
Correct. Mineral Heights. Social studies. Which of Jamaica's national heroes was married to a world-famous artist?
Michael Manley.
Incorrect. Norman Manley. And he was married to Edna Manley, the artist. Social studies. Richmond Park. Gladys Longbridge was the personal secretary and later became the wife of which Jamaican prime minister?
Alexander Bustamante.
Correct. Music, Mineral Heights. Name one of the artists who released the single Calm Down in 2022.
Bruno Mars.
Incorrect. Remorse. Selena Gomez. Music, Richmond Park. Name one of the artists who released the single Save Your Tears in 2020.
Ariana Grande.
Correct. Mathematics. And we don't have time for any more questions. That's the end of Section 1, and the scores are Mineral Heights Primary on 4 and Richmond Park Prep on 5. Of course, we go to our break, but before we do that, let's head to our Friendly Guardian Achiever tip. Try to develop a steady bedtime routine to ensure that you get a good night's sleep and wake up energized for school each day. Please stay with us. Season 20 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge quiz returns after these messages.